Welcome to Alone Business Channel.
This course will introduce you to some paid plugins and actions that you can use in Photoshop. Everything we use is paid for but should improve the quality of your image editing and reduce the time you spend editing images. See what the result will look like. For this reason, explanations are minimal. If you like what you see, you can purchase and use it yourself. I hope this helps you in some way. Please note that plugins are subject to updates and price changes. Please make sure you have the latest version yourself. So let's get started together. This section introduces Vector Converter. The first step is to install it. With Photoshop running, drag and drop installer.jsx file, or specify installer.jsx file from File Scripts Browse. Or specify installer.jsx file from File Scripts Browse. Restart Photoshop. Profactions clone has been added to the extensions section of the window. Edit this image. Turn off image size so that the size does not change. Click on the full image. Click on Convert to Vector Style. Editing has started. Let's see how it has changed. Let's take a look at the custom area. You can fill in the area to be edited as you like. Let's take a look at the focus area. Let's take a look at the subject area. Fill in the area to be edited from here. Click on Convert to Vector Style. Let's see how it changed. Let's take a look at the edit. You can select shapes. We have made some edits. Let's see how they have changed. Let's take a look at vector. You can choose between color and black and white. Click on Convert to Vector Shapes. Next, let's change the color to black and white. Click on Convert to Vector Shapes. Let's take a look in Illustrator. The image has been saved as vector data. Edit a different photo in the same way. Let's see how it has changed. Edit a different photo in the same way. Let's see how it turned out. You can convert the image to a vector or use it as an original image.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.